Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix personal hotspot is grayed out on iPhone. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining about after updating to the latest version of iOS 17, which is 17.4.1, they're facing an issue of personal hotspot, that their personal hotspot is grayed out and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video, I will give you some tips or tricks from which you can simply fix the issue of personal hotspot grayed out on your iPhone. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Guys, unfortunately, I don't have my SIM currently, but I will give you some tips to fix this issue. First of all, you have to simply check your cellular data connection. Personal hotspot requires cellular data to be enabled. Go to the settings, go to cellular and ensure that the cellular data is turned on. After this, then you have to simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve software glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, then scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do simply check for any update. If there is any available update besides 17.4.1, simply go to the settings, then go to general, tap on software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying these steps, then you have to do is simply check your airplane mode. Ensure that ensure that airplane mode is turned off. When airplane mode is on, all wireless connection including personal hotspot are disabled. You can simply check by going to the control center and you can see your option airplane. Simply tap on it and disable it. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings can sometimes fix connectivity issues. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, scroll down and tap on general. Again, you scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix the issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.